Hi, good morning. This is Patrick Loda with MarineMax, Summers Point, New Jersey. Today we're looking at this pristine 2024 Sailfish 226 dual console. One of their most popular boats that they have introduced out to the market. Great all-around boat, for your dock and dine, your water activities, also for weekend fishing and everything. So here we're on the transom of the boat. This is powered by a upgraded white Yamaha 200 horsepower with the electric steering. You have a couple rod holders here across the back. You have your live well, cup holders, saltwater wash down. Okay, you have storage under the rear compartment, swim ladder, easy walk through. Battery switch is right here as well, which is nice. So that's the first and last thing that you do when you get on board the boat. This has a bimini top here with a nice stainless steel frame, real heavy duty. Great lounge seat here. This also too has a seat that will fold down, give you a little more of a lounger. Also has tons of storage up underneath where we actually have at the moment the cockpit cover. Have a nice folding seat here in the back. And it's also too is your bilge access. So you can get in there and kind of look at your pumps, anything like that. This hull is also too is a self-bailing hull, so this way it gives you that peace of mind if you're away, you get a heavy rain. Also for hosing the boat down, rinsing it down. The floors are non-skid. They call it a raised dot matrix. Keeps it very easy for cleaning. You have another seat back here with a removable backrest. Captain's helm chair here with your thigh rise. Also too with the your armrest. Your digital controls over here. This one's powered with the digital throttle and shift, makes it very smooth for shifting. Your Yamaha command link. This has a Garmin GPS chart plotter sounder, compass. You have your Fusion stereo, all nice set up here on the dash, with all your switches. This has the Bennett trim tabs with the indicator switch, and it's auto retract, so you should automatically come back up. This way it gives you that peace of mind. Team helm. This is your ignition right here. This boat's totally set up for 12 persons in gear. All right. You have also there's a small big compartment in here. So we just walk through. Close the windshield, a little bit of a wind blocker. Okay. You have a big rod storage here in the floor. A lot of storage for this size boat. You go up here at the bow. Again, a little more storage. There's also a bow table in there that'll set up. Your seating up here, plenty of room. Have lockers up here. Cup holders, stainless crab rail. Very, nice setup in here. It's very deep cockpit too. That's what Sailfish is known for. They're also known for the wide of the boat. So if you'd like to see this boat or any other boat, please give us a call at 609-926-0600. This is Patrick Loda with MarineMax. See you on the board.